Not even a whole dozen. Not that hard.
That's a big one. Yeah, I grabbed the nice medium one.
Well, if you could maybe start though.
No! That's a big one. I could have brought you some bigger ones.
Alright, right out of the backyard.
Are you? Ew! Are you squeezing the poop out?
Yeah! I'm not gonna eat that! Seriously.
How do you even know to do that?
Because last time I ate
I'll eat a worm, but you make it.
Oh!
like, you want me to do it all theatrical?
Yeah.
Just slurp it. You suck it up
Like
like
bite
a noodle.
off the head?
Yeah, just suck it up like a noodle.
Get it.
I got
Get some.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Get it.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? That one did taste a little funny.
Get it.
It's a worm.
Oh, yeah.
That's probably it.
Sour. It's a little sour. No, not crunchy.
What do you think it's been eaten? Soil?
That's probably it. Probably like carcass or something.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna.
Save me for myself.
Do it.
How many are you gonna eat?
That one I didn't get the guts out.
Mr. Carl, you're so gross.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
It's spooky.
This is a meaty sucker right here. Look at this guy.
Did you get the poop out? Get the poop
I
out.
already did.
Okay.
Maybe it's at the bottom.
Jerry, your hands are so dirty eating a banana. Put it straight in his mouth.
Oh, it wasn't all out. It wasn't all out. Thanks, you saved my life.
I bet he feels clean.
All right, last one.
Do them all.
I'm not doing them all.
Someone told me you're going to eat a dozen.
If Jerry does 6, will you do
You have no problem with eating 3.
You guys raised your money. Here's your prize. All right.
Yay!
Oh, God, it's like gripping onto me.
Come over here. You gotta do it with me.
How do you do it? How do you eat them?
First, you're gonna have the poop at the bottom.
Oh no!
Have grab it.
Oh, that's the grossest part, I think.
That's good enough. What?
That's the grossest part.
Oh, dude, it's like...
Bro, you're gonna eat one?
How should I do the last one?
It's good.
This is my third one.
Slurp it, slurp it. Like a noodle, like a noodle.
Not yet, not yet, not yet.